I've got you in my sights.
Alright, attack.
Is this where you all sneak into the left room and die from the symmetric turrets?
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm game.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Tracer's too innocent for this world.
Big Harambe.
It's out.
Dick's out for Harambe?
Time.
Alright.
Shiro Jiro. Please tell me I have the peanut butter emote. Please tell me, or else I'm gonna have to buy that right now.
Alright, let's see how this Hearthstone game is going. Okay.
I don't have any emote.
See.
Oh my god.
They've got some pretty garbage cards when you think. Like, look at this. It's like...
Wait,
This is a screenshot from the literal beta of the game, so...
Let's see, there's that
Wait.
one card.
who shot it? You piece of shit! I wanted to look at it.
Who did that? Was it you? Was it you, Mr. Zergling?
I don't think it was that.
Is this Shaman? Is this Shaman? It's the monkey card.
Oh my god.
It's
That's,
Monkey card.
the war leader. The raid leader. There's the Wind Fury thing.
Look,
What are you
baby
talking
win-
about?
I'm looking at the Hearthstone
Talking about
cards on
Wizard
that
Poker.
picture.
Okay.
Let's see what we got. Shaman v Paladin.
Hey, this is when Shaman was
Right.
was bad.
Yeah.
4-drop 7/7.
Before the 4-drop 7/7, the 1 mana 1/3, the 2 mana 3. It's all just terrible.
Those were simpler times.
They were.
There's a
The tra-
trap right there.
Yeah.
Ah, we've been baited.
oh man.
Huh.
Get rid of the trap. Dicks out, boys!
Hey, there's no traps in here. Oh,
No!
oh, it's a Junkrat. How could we have been so blind? You ever get that feeling of deja vu?
Jordan, turret dead. McCree, stop fucking getting in the way. God damn it. God bless America, McCree.
Land that I love.
Notice all the sniper bullets going right past you? That means I'm trying to kill someone.
Is that me?
No, it's the only other person.
Maggie!
What?
Behind us! Ugh.
He
Jeez.
doesn't
Dicks out,
die.
Harambe, go!
That May has
die.
that May has amazing aim.
Oh, I'm terrified
God.
of going out that
I just came up.
Seems good.
Oh, he's almost dead.
way. It's one of these!
Fucking trap.
I'm trying to distract him as much as I can.
Back it up, let's back it up.
But-
Let's back it up.
Okay.
Their Junkrat's back here where I'm at. Like,
Yeah, they're all like back that way.
yeah. I have nowhere to go! They're trapping me in here! Oh my god!
I almost have my ult. I'm gonna see if I can get up around on the right.
No, please!
It worked!
Aw, shit.
I mean, I'm gonna wait
No!
for that
No!
Okay.
to wear off. Alright, tell me whenever you guys are coming in. I'm back here behind them and I can ult.
I've got my ult, but I'm almost dead. And they're chasing me down, so I'm dead now.
Like an animal.
Since there's 6 of them and one of us.
I'm gonna go Soldier 76. They killed...
Behind.
No!
Fuck.
Crap.
Blurg.
Bibblethorpe.
Heading up on the right side again.
Oh my god. Sweet baby Jesus.
Oh my god, they gave the man! Holy shit!
Got my ult. Dylan, you
Oh,
go.
I don't want to...
Their Bay has ult too.
Oh, Lucia's finally dead.
YOLO!
Nice! Good job.
Take me into the darkness, sweet male.
Caleb!
Here!
He's too good.
Oh, fuck
Oh
this
god.
shit.
Yeah.
It's almost got my ult.
Terrified. No, not like this.
Whoa!
Oh god!
I did not think he was gonna go for us. I thought we were safe.
Oh my god.
Goes for the women first.
Yeah, that's right.
No.
Let's go.
I've got
Bless.
you in my sights. Nope.
Oh, that was a terrible time to fly in. God damn it. Oh, man.
My ult's at 76%.
That Sonic, that kills people.
This kills the Sonic.
Why can't that May just like miss a couple shots?
That May has amazing aim.
I don't get it, Sonic.
Ooh! She blew in a right heart.
Goodbye.
Oh,
Get the hell away from you. Let you die
He's
alone.
asleep. He's asleep. Get me out of here. Let him sleep.
I wasted my ult.
He
No.
needs this rest. Ow!
Oh, where'd that Reaper go? Sonic behind you.
Over there.
I got him. My ult just came up.
Lucio dead.
If I can like get behind them somehow, I don't know.
Reinhardt's shield is sort of broken, but he retreated.
Alrighty. Okay, this is fun.
Sure is.
Hey Sonic, can you drop your healing thing?
Oh shit. Like,
I can get out of it, it's alright!
Go my ultin.
Not again, I just got back!
Alright, I'm like behind him. I'm gonna see if I can
So I'm dead.
clear the field. Well, I just killed half of them.
I'm here
And
with
then
you,
died.
kinda. Well, they're wasting ults. Oh no! You saw that?
Yeah.
Man.
Hmm.
Well, he killed a steel trap. No!
Oh god, grenades!
Dropping them heals.
Get over here and hair lock.
I got my ult, Eddie. You wanna get in there?
I got ult too.
Yeah.
Oh god! Their Reaper does not have ult.
Someone get in there. I'm about
The
to die.
May! The May! No! The
There,
pain.
Junkrat just died.
Lucio's dead.
No! The
Yeah.
May is Satan!
Reaper's
Their
dead.
right hand has like no health.
Get on the point.
Oh,
Get on
thank
the
you.
point.
There's only May up!
In the corner over there.
There's only their May! Junkrat's just spawned.
Here comes the Junkrat tire.
And Lucio just spawned.
Oh god.
Oh.
Their May is like their May is carrying their team. I'm gonna keep it real.
She'll definitely save the shit out of her life.
My ult is 71.
And there's always a
My sweet
Reaper.
child. 84%.
This is our chance.
Hey, just
Where's
ult
the ult?
somebody over there.
Shield down.
Oh, someone's asleep. Junkrat.
My ult's up and I'm on the side.
I'm with
We
you.
are
We're
here.
pushing. Oh,
Oh, for
we're all
fuck's
good.
sake.
Eddie, turn around.
Oh, Chimuk.
Oh shit.
So I'm like, this might be a bizarre adventure.
Sonic, I'm always ready for bizarre adventures.
Oh no, it's
Do
me!
it.
Okay, Reaper.
So try to delay the time now. My ult's at 89%. We gotta fight.
He carried it on so well.
Do I have enough time to get back?
Oh my god!
Bye.
Hey, I got the 6,606 damage done, boys.
I'm like right. It's like right when I got up, he
Perfect
he
edge
basically
number.
right when I got up, he just like jumped on me and just blew himself up. I'm like, what the hell?
Kamikaze.
Kamikaze!
Boop beep boop.
Blah.
Bolts were better.
Edgy.
Sorry.
It was supposed to be yours, fam. God.
So painful.
He didn't even ult. He just shot you all to death. Dick's out. He's putting him down like the monkey.
Where'd the scrap? Where'd the scrap? Where'd the scrap?
That D.Va's
Oh
way
my
too far.
God. Oh my god.